ladies and gentlemen, we are still here on the red carpet with one of the winners in their category. It's none other than
Unajua wanasemanga hivyo, but most of us hatufanyangi hivyo, but man, asante sana.
Unafanyangaje?
Unajua, tunakanga masirian kiasi, but nashukuru sana man.
So, umeshinda DJ of the year?
Yes, supportive DJ of the year. I was nominated last year pia. I didn't push much, but this year I saw it and I said this could be my last shot. Sitaki kuwa nominated tena. Around me there are so many, and in Lowland there are so many DJs, and I hope they get nominated next year, and kina Kolo and all the other DJs will now for category kina DJ Ken. I hope they win next year because but I really appreciate.
So you are saying next year you won't accept nomination?
I don't think, honestly, I don't think I'll participate because nimekuwa mzae and nataka pia mafans wangu ni wa direct to choose kwa mse mwingine. Sometimes when you are ukiwa kwa game sana upatiwe watu wengine opportunities. I want to be one of the DJs who says, you know what, mimi nimetosheka, this is enough, thank you so much my fans. Wengine pia wapitia hapa, akina Kolo, akina Ken, akina DJ Loans, akina Nab, watu wa serious, akina Boy, ni watu ma DJ wa serious. Yes. But I really appreciate it.
Congratulations, and what should we expect?
Well, there is something lacking in Lowland. Unajua wanasema the giants of the lake. I want to flood the internet with a lot of video mixes, professional video mixes, a lot. Yes, a lot. Yes.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
Asante sana. DJ Vic, Roga with Fredo Machoka, Ramogi TV ngoma wake every day, and then Ramogi FM, Ramogi Disco. Asante sana.